Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Roland, and today I will take you through connecting the Xbox Series X to a Bluetooth speaker. As I mentioned in my title, there will be two ways and two alternatives. Everything will be a simple setup. The reason why I make this video is because some of you might prefer having this option, like you prefer to use a speaker instead of headset, or if you want to take a rest from your headset and still wanted to continue playing, this is one of the convenient ways and easy to set up. But first of all, I wanted to apologize about my voice first. I got sick and it was affected a lot. Hopefully it will come back to normal very soon. Very well, I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's go ahead straight away to the video. Here are the things we need. The two U-green Bluetooth transmitters. That's the reason why I say it's two ways. One for the optical connector and one for the 3.5mm stereo. I also use this on my Xbox One. You can find the video on top of the screen and in the description below in case you also like to see it. And also the Orei HDMI audio extractor. Don't forget an extra HDMI. Alright, let's get started. Open up the boxes and start setting things up. Starting off with the first way, this is the optical type. It should be connected with its USB cable that comes with it for its supplied power for it to work. Take out the HDMI audio extractor. Then connect the two HDMI on both sides and the optical Bluetooth adapter on the optical port. All those cables might be a hassle, but you can make a little cable management by using these plastic belts. Clip it around with HDMI together because anyway, both heads are going on the same ports of the Xbox and the display. Then don't forget to power up the audio extractor. When plugging all these cables to your monitor or TV, just remember, the HDMI which is going to the audio extractor must be connected to your Xbox, and the HDMI which is coming out from the audio extractor must go to your display together with the Bluetooth adapter's USB connector. Now the second way is exactly the same setup with the first one, it's just have a different connector which is a 3.5mm jack stereo. Just connect it in the audio extractor auxiliary port as you can see in the video. Now when pairing with the speaker, turn it on and just put on its pairing mode, and while on its pairing mode, press the button of the Bluetooth adapter twice. Sorry, it's just connected automatically as I already paired it before. But anyway, I hope you get the point. Then moving on to the two alternative ways. Your TV or monitor should have an optical or auxiliary ports and USB port as well, in order for these two Bluetooth adapters to connect as it shows on the video. Then the wiring is just the same. If long cables are hassles, you can make a little cable management again, this time at the back of your display. Same like this for example. Now it's time for the sound test.
At last it's here, at least for me. Thanks for tuning in again and supporting my channel. This is Roland Uy, and if you're new here, then please hit the subscribe button for you to see more videos. One of those gamers who cannot stick with one setup for a longer period of time. I keep on changing it whenever I wanted to because I love doing it.
I can say it has a very little lag, but it's almost not noticeable. It's still useful for all games aside from FPS games, as it's always better with surround sound headset. To be honest, I'm enjoying it playing with Rocket League. Now the verdict. It seems that the two alternatives are better as it's more convenient to use, and most important is, there is no need of using the audio extractor, especially it will only limit your Xbox with 60Hz refresh rate. But I think time will come that the higher refresh rates adapter will come out soon. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think. As always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. See you again next time.